Hi everybody, thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. I am really happy to bring you this 5-panel card. Look at this. I don't want to open it all the way up. It does have a little secret surprise inside. I have a way for you to win this card for your very own or to share with a friend. And I'll be telling you all about it if you watch to the end of the video. And there is a bonus card idea. Oh, I can't wait to show you. So stick around to the end of the video and let's make a 5-panel card together. To make our 5-panel card, we will be using Poinsettia Passion 12 by 12 pattern cardstock from Hot Off the Press, and I'll put the link down below. And then you get 2 each of these signatures. They're double-sided. Look at this beautiful tapestry, these gorgeous poinsettias, and it's got sort of blacks, burgundies, and then this beautiful, look at this clock, this beautiful sort of golden ivory color. And we're going to be using this one and this one to make our card, and then a nice sheet of cutouts. All right, so we're going to put these aside. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is do a little scoring. So I'm using a 5 by 6.5 inch card, and we're going to score it right down the center on the front only, the front flap. So that's 2.5 inches right there. And then we're going to fold that over just like that. Now I have a 3-inch by 8-inch strip of white cardstock. I'm going to put this right here, and we're going to score that at 2.5 inches and 7.5 inches. That's it. That's as tough as it's going to get. All right, I love a card that looks more complicated than it is. So this first part right here, we're going to fold this 1/2 inch over. Shouldn't have put away the bone folder. There we go. And then this flap right here is going to fold back this way. And this just should fit just like this, okay? So that you have a 5-inch width across your card and then a 1/2 inch right here. So when you open it up, it's going to do this, and you have all 5 panels there. All right, so that was easy enough. Let's go ahead and take a look at this sheet of paper right here with this beautiful little candle motif, and I cut this one out right there from that part of the paper, and I cut it just slightly smaller than my 5 by 6.5 inch card. Okay, so I'm not going to go through and measure everything. You guys know how I like to do this. I take my paper and I do this so you can make any size card. Going to do it like this. I leave a little white border along the edge. I take my little favorite pencil and I mark it so there's about 1/8 of an inch border there, and then I use my paper cutter to cut across here and here. That's very, very simple, and that way I can make this card using whatever size. I could make a 5 by 7 card very easily with this same idea. All right, so I have this piece that's going to go here. And we're going to do a little bit of inking, but I'm going to lay these pieces out so you can see where we're going with this first. I have another panel here. Let's put this one there. Another panel right here. There we go. And then these panels right here came from that wreath. It's kind of, you can see the curve in here. Okay, so those are our front panels and our inside panels, just like that. And then let's do the panels for this part. What's nice about this piece right here, every panel that you're going to cut 2. So you're going to put one here and one here, one here and one here, so that it looks nice from all sides. All right, so we have a nice panel right here. And then on the inside, I'm just going to leave that. We have another panel that's going to go right here. We have a panel to go here. And then on the inside here, we have another panel. All right, now for the inside, I have a little surprise for this part right here. So I'm going to take a break, do my inking, and I'm going to show you the little surprise part for this part. All right, we're back with the covered card base and those 3 panels. And then these are the 3 panels that are going to show from the front of the card. And then when we turn the card over, I have one last panel to cover. Now, this one we could cover just like we did on the card front. Put a panel just like this. But we could also cover it like this so that it has make it into a little envelope pocket. And it would be really nice to put in a little gift card. So options, I love options, are always nice. So we're gonna go ahead and make this one into a little pocket. And what I used on the top of my little panel, I cut one just like this, and then I just used a 1 3/4 inch circle cutting die, just half of that, but you could also use a circle punch. It could even be a 2-inch punch, it could be a 1-inch punch. The 1 3/4 was the one that was closest to my desk. All right, so I'm going to give that a moment to dry. So we have all of the panels covered, all 5 panels, and now we have our little tab right here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue. You guys know usually I like to use double stick or extra sticky tape, but I couldn't find my roll. So we're just going to use glue. You could also use a tape runner, whatever your favorite adhesive is. You just want to make sure that it's folded to the back on the right lower corner, and you want to make sure that this is squared up right here. It's all nice and squared up. Okay, and now we're going to put a little greeting right here. So I have the little Merry Christmas cutout. I cut out a little piece of white cardstock to put behind that, just to give it a little bit more of security there. I put foam tape on the back. Oh, I should mention, when I was inking my edges, I inked them all with Friar Brown ink, my favorite color of the season. We're going to put that right there. That's where it's going to go, right there on that flap. I've got another little piece of foam tape here. And weirdly, I like to put it on the card so that when I center this, it's right where it should be. I've also got a little bow here that I've made. I'm going to put that right there. And so we have our 5-panel card. This one is just right for putting a little extra something in there. Okay, and you guys, I've also got, this is a little clear glitter pen situation. There we go. And I'm going to take these flames and I'm just going to put a little sparkle on those. It might not be noticed by anyone but me. All right, and I think here, just to kind of draw attention to the fact that there's a gift card there, I'm going to put some Dazzle stickers on here. These are Happy Holidays Dazzle stickers, and I'm going to put the to and from on there just so you can sign it here. You can also sign this card here, so there are little writing places on there. we'll put that right here. Okay, and it's got these little dot things to put on there, but I'm gonna skip those. Okay. All right, so when this all folds up, as you can see, the presentation is so pretty. And then if you can imagine it sitting opened on a table to prop itself up. So I also wanted to give you guys another option, because you know I love options. I made the same card in a different color scheme. So this using the same Poinsettia Passion in the burgundy color scheme. Oops. Get it all on there. And as you can see, so beautiful in either color scheme. And because you'd have to write on this with a gel pen, something against the dark, I did put a little panel right here, and there are more cutouts that you could put in this. It also helps you kind of know where to write. Remember, when this is closed, we don't want to write beyond this side of the card, otherwise it kind of gets over on the right. So there you go. I've got two options, same layout, same patterned cardstock. So this is a good time for me to tell you guys about how you can win one of these cards. So if you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, then we will choose a winner and announce that in next week's video. And you have to watch the video because the winner's name is hidden in there, and then there are instructions about emailing me and letting me know. That's a very important point. If you don't email me, how will I know your address? How will I know where to send it? So that's very important. So as I said, like, comment, and subscribe to enter to win one of these cards. And when you do email me, I'll be sure to ask which one you want. So thanks so much for joining me today, you guys. I had so much fun making this 5-panel card. Well, 2 5-panel cards. You got a bonus today. And I'll see you next week.